The best advice I ever got was from Nadia Boulanger in 1957. She said, your music will never be more or less than you are a human being. So I've started to work on the human being. I'm discovering a lot of things about myself, and what I'm trying now for the last 2 years to get all of the negative thoughts out of my body. Grudges, no anger. It's a waste of time.
It is so tempting after clocking in for 8 hours to just slum the rest of your day away. Trust me, I've spent many days napping right after work, but it's very important to me to give back my time to myself. I do that through prayer, through working on my craft, cleaning, housework, self-care, a whole bunch of things. So that's basically what this is. And this is whatever I do when I'm giving my time back to myself, pouring into the facets of life that are important to me. As you guys can see, I refreshed a little bit just so that I'm not going out with my work in my work mentality. I don't know what it is about kind of getting ready, but it helps me reset. And by the time I go to bed tonight, I forget that I even worked in the morning. We don't have too much on the agenda today because I am going to be editing for most of the day, but I am probably going to be heading off to TJ Maxx because they have a major sale today, 70% off. That's what I'm talking about. These are the deals that we needed for Black Friday. Anything under 50 is not a real deal. That's taking the tax off, to be honest. I have little returns to make, just little things like that. Probably might hit up Sephora because I need some hyaluronic acid. But this isn't really about running errands. This really is about being intentional and setting ourselves up for success. So we're not focusing too much on the errands. We're focusing on the productivity. I'm about to head off and we will be doing this day together, boo.
I see you in my eyes, and in my heart you're all I feel. All I feel. All I feel. All I feel.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only cause you let him. Girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, that man didn't show any. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he be killing them. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high and shout at you. Deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen.
I don't know, y'all. All of these smell so good.
Said he keeps on playing games and his loving ain't the same. Don't know what to say, but